Apple has announced they'll be recalling MacBook Pros as some of the batteries pose a fire safety risk. Is your MacBook affected? Let's find out. MacBooks from September 2015 to February 2017 are being recalled after a video surfaced on Twitter of a user's MacBook catching on fire and smoking. Check it out. To find out if you're eligible for a free battery replacement, go to the About This Mac section of your computer, find your serial number, and take it over to the website in the description below. It's an official Apple website dedicated exactly to this problem, and once you put that serial number in there, you'll see if you're qualified. If your MacBook does qualify for a battery replacement, you have 3 options in way of getting it replaced. You can take it into an Apple store, an Apple service provider, or you can simply mail it to Apple. Now we suggest the last one because mailing it in is the simple and easy way to make sure it gets fixed. The whole process may take about 1 to 2 weeks, so do be prepared to be without your computer for just a little bit. As many of you may know, this is not the first problem that MacBooks are facing. From screen delamination, butterfly keyboards, and FlexGate, this now joins that list as some batteries may just simply explode. However, Apple has taken a very proactive approach, as they always do. They will replace the battery for free. As soon as the problem came to their attention, they released a recall almost immediately. This shows that Apple truly does care about their customers. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you learned something, and if you do have an affected Mac, I really hope you go and get that battery replaced for free. We wanted to bring this information to you guys as fast as we could. If you do have an affected MacBook, please let us know in the comment section below what you're gonna do and if you've had issues with your battery before. And while you're down there, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and you hit the bell for the notification so you get alerted anytime we post a video. I'm Chris, and I'll see you in the next one.